In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix if headphones not working on your Windows. So let's get started. So click on the start button and then click on the settings icon. Now here in the list of options on the left pane, you just have to simply click on system, and here you'll find sound. Click on that. Scroll down and we need to look for more sound settings, and this window will appear from here. Now you need to locate your speaker and then you have to double click on it. For the levels tab, make sure this is not muted from here. And if you have the enhancement tab right here, make sure you disable all the enhancements. Again, if you have the enhancement tab right here, make sure to disable all the enhancements and click on OK, and then click on OK again and close this. Then right click at the start button and then you have to select settings again. Click on system, scroll down and you have to look for troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Here you'll find audio with the run button corresponding to it. So run the audio troubleshooter. What this will do is that this will help you detect and spot the issue or problem that you are facing on your Windows, and aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations on how you can fix the issue. So run the audio troubleshooter. Next method, you have to make a right click at the start button, shut down. You have to right click at the start button, and here you have to select device manager. Now here in the device manager window, you just need to simply locate this one, sound, video, and game controllers, and you have to locate your audio driver. Make a right click, select update driver. You have two ways on how you can update your driver. It could be search automatically. If you are connected to an internet connection, you can go on with this. Windows will install your driver, or the best drivers for your device are already installed. Close this. And then if you're not connected to an internet connection, right click on it again, select update driver. Browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. And here you just need to simply choose one by one as to what driver available on your Windows will work for you, and click on next. Now Windows will successfully update your drivers and you have to close this. The next method is you have to go back to the same device manager window again and then locate sound, video, and game controllers and your audio driver. Then you just need to make a right click and then select uninstall device and click on the uninstall button. After uninstalling it, you have to restart your Windows. So close all the windows, right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and restart. After you have restarted your Windows, that will automatically reinstall the driver and that will fix the issue for you. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.